abhor or protocol observed. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you this morning at Chikanga's Secondary School for this important event. The handover of ICT tablets to our Manicaland junior members of Parliament by our Honorable Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Advocate M. Mugadza. This day marks yet another milestone in the advancement of digital learning and youth empowerment in our province. Allow me from the outset to extend our heartfelt appreciation to the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, for his visionary leadership and commitment to ensuring that every learner in Zimbabwe is equipped to compete and thrive in the digital world. The President's generous gesture of providing ICT tablets to our learners is not just an act of giving, but it is an investment in the future of our nation. Through this initiative, His Excellency seeks to ensure that our young people remain abreast of global events and innovations, and that they acquire the digital skills necessary to navigate and influence an increasingly technology-driven world. Indeed, in today's global village, knowledge and technology are inseparable. And by placing these devices in your hands, the President has entrusted you, our junior members of Parliament, with tools that can shape your future and the future of the communities. Honorable Minister, we are deeply grateful for your presence and leadership in the championing education and youth empowerment in Manicaland. Your continued support to the education sector aligns perfectly with the Minister's vision of a learner-centered, innovative, and inclusive education system. The collaboration between the Office of the Minister of State and the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education continues to yield visible and transformative results, as evidenced by today's event. As a province, we are committed to fully embracing the heritage-based curriculum, which promotes critical thinking, technological innovation, and entrepreneurship among learners. Our schools, Honorable Minister, continue to integrate ICT into the teaching and learning process, and these tablets will further enhance that progress. We remain determined to ensure that every child in Manicaland has access to quality, technology-supported education.
To stand before you today as guest of honor in this transformative event, an official handover of tablets to our junior members of Parliament, a generous initiative made possible through the vision and leadership of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa. This moment goes beyond a handover of devices. It is a handover of opportunity, empowerment, and a bold step towards ensuring that our young leaders are equipped with the tools necessary to thrive in a rapidly changing digital world. In support of the Digital Skills Development Program, these tablets represent a bold step towards the attainment of Vision 2030, whose emphasis is that no place and no one should be left behind in the global digital revolution. The gadgets received today serve as both symbols and instruments of access to knowledge, to innovation, communication, and creativity. To our esteemed junior members of Parliament, you are not only the future leaders, you are the leaders of today. You carry the love and vision of Zimbabwe. You were therefore entrusted with an assignment by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, an assignment to plan and secure the future. These devices will help you to engage with your fellow parliamentarians, conduct research, propose solutions, and participate meaningfully in national discourses. You are now better equipped to lead with insight, backed by crucial and relevant information, and inspired by the possibilities technology provides. Let me once again express gratitude to His Excellency, the President, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, for his unwavering support towards youth empowerment. Indeed, he is a listening president. While digital access is a revolutionary and game-changing approach to empowerment of our youth, I urge you to use these gadgets responsibly. Put into the wrong hands, they can easily bring doom, misery, and calamity to their users and those around them.
I'd like to express gratitude to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Under his leadership, we've managed to gather and also share our contributions and also learn from the Shanganai Expo, which was done here in Manicaland. This has allowed us to open our mind and also think outside the box on how we can shape our state Manicaland and also our country at large, as it has allowed us also to intervene with Education 5.0, which allows us to have those skills to do with mathematics, science and technology. Therefore, we are really appreciating the cause which has allowed us to move on with Education 5.0 and also digital literacy, which is happening now in this world.
Good morning, Zimbabwe. My name is Honorable Senator Shindola Kama. I'm the Child Minister of Tourism, Hospitality and Industry. First of all, I would like to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, for the handover of these tablets. They are helping us in the digitalization and also helping us in our studies as the junior parliamentarians, and also introduce the heritage-based curriculum, so it's more easier for us to learn and do our projects as it was established in the heritage-based curriculum. Therefore, there are also some challenges that we are facing on the social media, such as cyberbullying.
My name is Patrick Maswakura, the Junior Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and I would like to thank the government of Zimbabwe, led by His Excellency Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, for donating tablets to junior parliamentarians so that they can have access to digital literacy, so that they can improve their education and go research, because the government of Zimbabwe has introduced the heritage-based curriculum, where we see to it that a learner is supposed to go and research about the problem that he or she is finding in the community. And the government of Zimbabwe, that's why it has finally come with a move of donating tablets to the junior parliamentarians. And also the government is not only going to end there, because we see to it that the government has also promised to donate Starlink keys to all junior parliamentarians schools, so that they can also improve their digital literacy at the end of the day. So the government of Zimbabwe, led by His Excellency Emmerson Mnangagwa, is doing it so that we as the children of Zimbabwe, or we as the children of Manicaland in particular, we can have digital literacy and we can improve on the educational welfare of ours. And with this, I thank you.